It's 5:30. It's a 3-hour drive. I'm a morning person, but I don't like getting up early on a Saturday. But if it's an adventure day, that's a whole new story. So my girlfriend's going with me. I'm bringing a few of my cameras with me, a couple of bucks in my pocket. At this point, unless I can find something for the 34 or something like a sign that looks cool on the garage wall, I'm probably not going to buy that much. I just can't pass up an adventure. So. Need that. Oh boy. Waiting for my girlfriend. I bet no one ever does that. Just me. Late for her funeral. She certainly will be. Pete, hands where I can see him.
Yeah. Did you bring your gloves?
Hey, bud.
His foot was going that way. Don't
hey, bud. What's up, dude? Yeah, you good boy. Hi. You happy? Yeah, all right. Awesome. Let's go for a walk.
He's the bad guy. Get the bad guy.
Barney knows. Oh, a treadmill. I could use that. There you go.
I see some wheels.
Actually, I'm probably going to keep this 52 for us in the middle right here. Okay.
Bring him out, Mike.
There's one.
Bring him out, Mike.
I'm bringing him out, brother.
Come on, Mike. You know what I like.
You know what? I know what I like. I know what, Pete. I got you your four blade fan, bud. Here you go. That's for you.
That's my. That's bring him out, Mike. We don't want this one. This is like international.
Oh, it is a small bolt.
You can have the dented one, Mike.
There you go. Four. I got a matching set, Pete.
I appreciate you taking them out for me.
Pete. All right. This is my pile. What does it say?
Mitchell.
Yep. It's a 20 over.
It's a rebuild. Yeah, 20 over. Do you know what that motor was out of? Just tell me something good. I mean, it doesn't even have to be true.
These are all Ford, like in the, I think, like the late 70s, early 80s models over here.
Cool handle.
Small block Chevy head. Oh, this is Ford. You're right.
This is cool.
You know, the only place a small block Chevy belongs is in a Blazer.
Thanks. Thanks, Pete.
Actually, that's a lawnmower from a Ford lawnmower right there. Before I was born, I guess.
Wow. Yeah, you should go to that.
Take this with the glass and throw it over there on the pile.
I'm your biggest fan.
Hey.
36.
Yeah.
Did you just dig that out?
Yeah.
No, it was right on top.
Mike's.
Do you want me to hold that or the cameras?
No, I have shaky hand. Everyone on YouTube loves it. Al, do you want to take this and I'll go grab my other camera?
Peter, you can bend over.
Hands where I can see them.
Allie, keep your hands off.
I like this.
Keep your hands off me, Allie.
Can't see.
Real wide angle.
Oh, good. Perfect for me ass. Perfect for me ass.
Oh, look at this.
Wow, look at this whole tower.
Whoa.
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 Toys. There you go, Austin. Even you found something, bud. Now, tell Dad you need it.
What do you need? I'm going to tell you that you need this. I want to pull this out just to look at it, just to get a good...
Oh, that is so neat.
So I'm happy to see you too. Oh, this is from a wedding.
What a cool idea.
That is really cool.
There you go, honey. Ideas for our wedding.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, what?
Oh, it's the big one. Oh, that's the big one.
You've been watching that, by the way.
Elizabeth, I'm coming, honey. It's the big one.
This is the original, right? It's not a repop, is it?
That's original.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I pick out good stuff.
You should find anything, Mike?
Did you see that?
Another
I
wheel.
found that.
Where?
It's under the stairs back there.
A wheel?
Mike.
Give me 5, bro. Give me 5.
Cute.
That's what your wife says to you.
It's so cute.
I love you. This is a cool truck, huh?
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see that.
Yeah. It's so cool. You find anything good up there? Oh, sorry. Sneaking up on you. Wow.
He had a gigantic classic Ford junkyard up in Steensfield. Mm-hmm. So for, oh man, several months he would drive, he had a truck, so he would drive up and buy a truck for $100. And right back down here.
Oh, wow.
How'd you get it all up there?
One piece at a time. It's a Johnny Cash song.
It never cost me a dime.
No, that's the thing I can say. I never paid for any of this stuff. No, it was always a plan that my dad had to build a 3rd-story loft.
Not from me. Yeah.
I was like, well, we had a
Eli, you want me to go over on the other side? Now see if I can get up on the wall.
There's a lot of rat poop, like right at the top.
It's bad.
Rat.
Flying rats. That's alright. They're hot rodders. They're immune to any bat diseases.
Tons of pickup truck stuff, huh?
Last person to touch it owns it. Ellie, grab that.
Oh, there's that cab over, huh? Man, that is just incredible. Oh, this is all poison ivy.
We got lettering on the door over here. Norway, Maine. Norway, telephone 137.
It's got a Stromberg on it.
I believe so. Yeah, we bought him, or we adopted him when he was 3 months old, something like that. He's just a puppy, and yeah, he did.
This had lettering all down the side of it at one point. Little drag. L-E-R. You can see S-L-E-R. There's an E.
Oh, yeah,
S-L-E-R. And then there's a big letter right here. Looks almost like a K.
K. Kessler?
Yeah, but it's missing. There's a letter here.
E-L-E Electric?
Yep, and then there's the phone number.
Yeah. Dude, look at that thing. It's awesome.
That's actually silly. Look at the doors and stuff.
Yeah.
Let's look at the motor and stuff in it. For babies. That still has the dog. They still have the well, that's actually really good shape. Look at the freaking steps.
Yeah. Yeah, you would think that's where it would be gone.
Yep.
There's a big logo 97 on that other truck over there. Man, yeah, I love these things.
Pretty cool, man.
There it is. He's a happy puppy.
He's so happy.
Yep. Hey, bud. I got you on film. You're gonna be a superstar.
Come.
There's an L in there.
Come.
C-A-A.
I want one of those cool little truck buggy things.
The white one's pretty good.
How much is that thing? If I wanted to buy the one out there. 15? Motors in it? Yeah.
That's fair enough.
I don't think I have a single title frame.
They lettered them all up all over the place.
That one, I guess, obviously came from Waldeboro, or at least last one was Waldeboro, right?
What are you doing?
Yeah. It's a good truck.
I think it's really cool.
It's so cool.
Hornets. Hornets. Angry Hornets.